many girls and women face so many problems during periods, and that time this sanitary pads help them. Some girls and some women are still using dirty clothes during periods. This sanitary pad is made up of soft cottony material which is soft absorbent core. So I request to all women and all girls to stop using dirty clothes during periods. Sometimes the girls are using menstrual cups which they have to be insert, which is very painful. Hello everyone, myself Divyanshi Tiwari and I am from Nine Company. As you all know about the sanitary pads, every month so many girls and women face so many problems during periods, and that time this sanitary pads help them. This sanitary pad is made up of so many ingredients which is not harmful but so many beneficial for the women and girls. And this sanitary pads are very easy to use, and so many ladies I this is very not saying not saying type of word, but then also I want to tell you about that some girls and some women are still using dirty clothes during periods, which is very harmful for them. And like using that dirty clothes, they can lead to be various infections like urine tracts infection, and in some more serious condition like toxic shock syndromes, they serve they will suffering from the cervical cancer of fertility issues, and that time these sanitary pads help them most. And this sanitary pad is made up of soft cottony material which is soft absorbent core, and thus this sanitary pads, which is its thread is made up of very good chemical which is very good for women health. It does not cause any disease. So I request to all women and all girls to stop using dirty clothes during periods, because it can lead to you be very ill, very uh, it can lead you to be very ill and very dangerous diseases. So start using this sanitary pads. Sometimes I see the girls, they are using dirty clothes because of sometimes they got shy to ask shopkeeper for the sanitary pads. Sometimes they don't have money to buy this much costly pads, so in compulsion they use dirty clothes. So stop using dirty clothes. Use always this sanitary pads. These are very good and very better for the women's. And I want to tell you about that to eliminate as in periods we have ever seen that very bad smells. So in this pad, to avoid bad odors, in this pad it is very good smell, its fragrance is very good, which avoid the bad odors from girls. And it is very very safe, and not cause any pain to girl. Like sometimes the girls are using menstrual cups which they have to be insert, which is very painful. And as compared to menstrual cups and dirty clothes, this sanitary pad is very good. So I request to all the girls and all the women to avoid using dirty clothes and start using the sanitary pads. Thank you. And I want to tell you about that this pad is solding in market at 35 rupees, but I'll give you this pad in only 30 rupees. But if you buy two sanitary pads, I will give you only in 50 rupees. So I have ever seen so many girls are suffering from many disease, so I want to help them, because they are don't able to afford this much costly pad. That's why